So today is quite a special day for me, right? So when we started to do the refurb on this house, one of my stipulations to my wife was that, one of my stipulations was that I wanted a coffee set up in our bedroom so that it feels hotel-y. Don't know why, I just like the idea of having a coffee set up in the bedroom so that in the morning, in the evening, I can make myself a cup of coffee and just ain't got to rush downstairs and all that sort of jazz. Today's a big day because today my coffee station has turned up. It is just a table, but it means more than that to me. So I'm going to show you what it is and where it's going. Oh mate, honestly, I'm so happy. There is a gap right there. So we've got, what we did, we built some kitchen cupboards and we stuck them here, put a nice bit of worktop on it, and then all plugged in underneath there like that, neat and tidy. And then we're going to fill that up with all the bits and bobs. Got a nice little lamp over there. It's lovely in the evening. You turn that lamp on, it's beautiful. Comes on like that, it's really, really nice. And then what we did, one and got ourselves a nice armchair so that we can sit down, chill out in the bedroom and whatever else. But there was a gap there. And I said, we need a table. What sort of table? I was going to go for like just a standard sort of bedside table, if you like. But then I come across a very nice fold out one, right? Because what you can do, it comes with the tray. So you can take the tray to bed, sit in bed with it and have a cup of tea whilst watching the little telly up there. Look at this. Never been so excited in all my days to have a coffee set up. But look at that. How nice does that look? Absolutely beautiful. And it matches. She's got a nice dressing table and it matches the beds and whatever on the bed and that. But yeah, I've got to say, just put that like that, I think. Get myself a little tea facility. So we're just chilling down. It's just so nice. I love this room. I love this room. It's so cozy. It needs dressing up still. And we need to put some little pictures up and whatever else. But all the wardrobes are done now. All built-in wardrobes. Wall lights look great. Went for the old mothos. Looks smart. Nice with a walnut bed. But now my coffee facility area is starting to come together, innit? I'll do another video once she's set up with all the saucers and my little cups and stuff like that. I'll do another little video, but man's got a kettle in his bedroom. It looks like an hotel room now. Come on.